coming out to venue number 1 in a 10-venue pop-up book launch tour. Thank you so much for hosting this reading, and I'm very excited about this venue because I've got a little podium here, and I'm gonna sing in the gutter maybe.
Okay, go.
All right, thank you so much for coming out to venue number 3. Good afternoon, everybody. This is venue number 4. Wow.
Thanks for hosting.
Yeah, thanks for having. Yeah. So, I'll start. It's time.
Yeah.
It's time. It's 5 o'clock. So you are venue number 5. Here's a poem for Shauna. Wow. It's a book launch. This is venue number 6. This is venue number 7 in a 10-venue book launch pop-up tour of Vancouver. Hello. Good evening, everybody. This is venue number 8. This is venue number 7 in my 10-venue pop-up. What's
9.
that? This is venue number 9. 10 in a 10-venue pop-up book launch virtual actual reading tour of Vancouver.
Everyone is saying we're in this together, but when has that not been true? Still, I can see the connections more visible in the strange light, webs crossing and silvering the air. Even if a spider lurks at the center and is slowly approaching, it's nice to feel all of you, if only by the vibrations of the strings, the strange music I wake up to that tells me I'm not alone.
If my metaphors unmake her allegorical gusto, gambling mouth, glasses glinting high to the sun, sword swung questions, somersault quests, tongue that probes teeth or truth. If she fails to stroll before you, glazed mescal tinted subtleties grow blueberries from abandoned moats, craft sites for queens and consuls, transmogrify your hands to maps. Mosey off of her own accord. You can blame my sing-song spatchcock, my bindlestick stock of words, my tin ear for heating metallurgy of the dead. Blame my wingding displays of old flames, my possum water eyes, my cloudily enraptured brains. For I wandered lonely as a clod, a night of the road, took my cigarettes off of the trash can blaze, and I swear she's in a note above odds, bodkins and train whistles, in a song sustained around the jackalope roast, until infinity flat lines full broke. Yeah. Woo.
What did you just do?
Thank you. Thanks for joining us online, and yeah, see you.